Namaste. Class 9th Mathematics NCERT syllabus. Chapter 2 Polynomials. Article number 2.2 Polynomials in one variable. Exercise 2.1 Problem number 2. Write the coefficients of x square in each of the following. So for first one, 2 plus x square plus 1. So coefficient of x square is 1 here. And solution or answer for this question. So coefficient of x square is 1. So second one, 2 minus x square plus x cube. So coefficient of x square is here minus 1 is the answer. So coefficient of x square is minus 1. Third one, pi by 2 x square plus x. So coefficient of x square is pi by 2. So in this question, coefficient of x square is pi by 2. Fourth, square root of 2x minus 1. So coefficient of x square is 0. So in the last fourth answer, coefficient of x square is 0. So ಈಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Second question, write the coefficients of x square in each of the following. First one, 2 plus x square plus x. Second one, 2 minus x square plus x cube. Third one, pi by 2 x square plus x. Fourth one, square root of 2x minus 1. So solution or answer for these questions. First one, 2 plus x square plus x. In the above expression, the coefficient of x square is 1. Second one, 2 minus x square plus x cube. In the above expression, the coefficient of x square is minus 1. Next, third one, pi by 2 x square plus x. In the above expression, coefficient of the above expression, the coefficient of x square is pi by 2. Okay. Next, fourth one, root 2x minus 1 or ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಝೀರೋ ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಝೀರೋ ಇಂಟು ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಝೀರೋನೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ರೂಟ್ 2x minus 1. In the above expression, the coefficient of x square is 0. Okay. Thank you so much.